This week, like most, was spent looking through a fence, living my best life watching my boys play baseball. And if you're a traveling sport parent, you know exactly what I'm talking about. My wife and I have 5 kids, and they're all either in competitive dance or baseball, and it can get crazy. My wife also works here at Claim Juicer, which brings in the work-life balance conversation, but to be completely honest, it's been an easy life. Let me explain in a baseball analogy. So you have players, you have coaches, you have positions, and you can't be all of them at the same time. You need different components, processes, practice, and execution. Are you all of the players? Are you the only one practicing in your company? Are you pitching and catching? You have to start forming your team. You can't be everything all the time. Shed the stress. And if you need a solid player in the supplementing position, we can help. Visit claimjuicer.com to get started.